Hey, what's up, guys? So, I woke up about half hour ago and had some coffee, and now I'm chilling with Debo, and yeah, his room's pretty much finished now. Yeah, look, I'll show you. We moved that shelf that the thing that TV's on. We moved it over there, so it was up here, and this chair was in the corner where this bureau is. And then this bureau right here, this was right here in front of this outlet, in the corner of the door. So, yeah, that's pretty. God, what are you doing? Get off the pillow. Anyway, it's pretty freaking awesome. Not really too sure what we're doing today quite yet. But yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? So, Dan fixed the threshold of his door right there.
I didn't fix it, yeah.
Well, he trimmed up the carpet and stapled it down, so it looks a lot better. And he's duct taping.
It's not duct tape.
Oh. Oh, is it that paint tape?
Tape.
Oh. He's putting that on the bed because our cousin decided to write all over the white part of it, so he's just covering it all up. Oh, dear Lord. Anyways, that's pretty much what's going on right now. Not much. Surprisingly, Ryan hasn't hit us up yet. But, yes.
Anyways, we almost just busted Perry's camera on the cement. I spilled some coffee a little bit ago, if you can't see that right there. I'm about to take this snowman mug. It's pretty old and disgusting and smash it in this moldy bowl. Cheers! Bowl's still kind of intact. We'll find something else to smash.
We're doing a bin of autumn cleaning. Winter cleaning, actually, I should call it. Alright, so anyways, Danny just cleared out a path in the garage that leads up to the door now, and it hasn't been cleared like this in years. Old-fashioned lawnmower. Cool! Does it work? Oh, I gotta try this. I'm gonna try this. Dude, that's insane. I'm gonna go in the backyard. It doesn't really do well going backwards, though. It is right there.
Alright, well.
So let me try.
That was fun.
Oh, come on!
Doesn't work well on big stuff.
No. I'm gonna go in the backyard. Careful, guys.
Whoa. Whoa. I got scared. Not kidding. There's a pond down there. When I was in like 5th grade, all down there. Well, 3rd grade, all down there. It used to be one huge pond, and as you can see now, it's all dried up. I don't know if you can tell, but no, you can't tell. Perry's camera really sucks, Stubbs. I'm sorry, but there's like one of those cloudy streak things in the sky and stuff. We're at Bluff Court. I remember one time me and my friend Buttplug were chilling at the house down around the corner right there. And right up here, it was like right before rugby practice in high school. A kid was driving a mini motorcycle up there and it exploded. And he got hurt really bad, and the cops blocked the street off right here and right down there. And we wanted to just go to rugby practice, and the cops wouldn't even let us do that. Oh, I just found a couple pennies on the ground. I don't mind if I do, thank you. I'm finding pennies everywhere all day. There's a pretty hot chick. You can't really tell she's hot because she's in sweatpants and a big coat, but she ain't bad. I didn't want to look like a creeper or anything, and or catch me zooming in on her buttocks. I was trying to see it so you guys could get a good view, because you can't really tell from a distance. But she does have a nice ass, but the sweatpants are covering it up. Good trick, ladies, but I got quite a good imagination. We're coming up to Joel and Corinne's neighborhood up here on the right, guys. This is Patchen Road. Queensberry's right down there. But they live on Juniper Drive, but the development is called Quarry Ridge. Benny lives down there. Sean lives down there. Corinne lives down there. Joel lives down there. Well, no, Benny doesn't live down there anymore. Oh, and then there's also this weird dude that used to wear a raccoon tail all the time. He used to live down there too. I'm gonna hop back up on the bike because there's another hill coming up. But see, now I'm on the bike, guys. Perry gets a nice workout. I don't have to walk. It's a win-win situation. If you down that street, I believe that's Richard Terrace, yeah. If you go down that street, down there's behind Chamberlain School, and there's also some paths down there. Going downhill. Whoa. That's pretty much the same road as Joel and all of them live on. It's just used around. Up here is JC Park. A lot of funny memories at JC Park. I don't even know how many girls I screwed there. If you're one of them, please comment below. If you want to do it again, I live right in the same area again. Right there in that greenhouse, there's this girl, Heather, that I met, and I screwed her over. I ripped her off like a whole ounce. I feel bad. I'm sorry, Heather. Yeah. Oh, and all the way down, it's Pine Street, right off of Patchen. Down, all the way down at the end there is my crazy ex, Natalie. Oh, free stuff. You want some free stuff? I wish she would get better. I do care about her, and I do love her, but she just kept pushing me away, and push came to punch me in the face, and so it ended. If you're watching Natalie, I hope you get better, and subscribe if you're new. Anyways, up here is JC Park. They got a new fancy sign now. See JC. I always wondered how JC Park was spelled. I guess it's JAYCEE. I just assumed it was JC, like maybe the owner's initials or something. I don't freaking know, guys. There's some people playing some Kobe Bowl. Camera's kind of funking out right now. I think it's because of the sunlight. The beams look really trippy. I wonder if it's going to come out like that. I don't want people to think that I'm a pedophile or nothing, but just videotaping the fucking park. Some dude's looking at me funny. Be fun, guys. Here's the bike again. I think I may have to stand on there. I don't know if I want to go to Arbitrons first and get the coping and carry it all the way to the mall and look like a douchebag. So we're going to go to the mall first, go to Yin's. So go to the mall. We usually take some back ways here. This is North Gardens. It used to be called Kwan's. The fried cheese is pretty nice.
I used to go to school with their daughter.
B.
No, well, both B and Cecilia.
Cecilia?
Called her Cece for short.
We cut back here in this little back neighborhood here. I used to have a friend, Shane Richland. He used to live back here on the left there. Right here is the post office. The sunlight's really tripping out the camera. Oh yeah, also right here is where some dude freaking pulled up with a gun, and his wife pulled up in a motorcycle and a taser and was trying to scare us, but failed.
We all laughed.
Pretty much laughed and walked away. And they realized that their kids were picking on handicapped kids, and that's the only reason why I butted in. And I didn't even want to fight. I just wanted to see why the hell, what the hell was going on and why they were all wanting to fight and everything. But I guess it was like someone ripped Ryan off or something, $20. Which if I knew that, I wouldn't even have really done anything.
Dude, there's a lot warmer out today, dude.
Yeah, it's almost freaking December. Like a little more than a week away from December. And as you can see, I could be in shorts right now. I'm just in one sweater and a pair of pants. Perry's all bundled up.
I was expecting it to be a lot colder. But I'd rather be sweating than freezing.
Up here is, dude, we should go to Pizza Putt today. See if Nanny will drop us off.
Okay.
Yeah, dude, we'll go to Pizza Putt and maybe get some good footage. I think Perry got some footage a while back of us, me, Joel, and him going there. We went to go to Yin's, but that was a fail. Or, not Yin's, freaking the Yoy pool billiard place off of Dorset. Could be chill. Could be chill.
Up here's where I broke tape off my bike.
Oh, yeah. Up here, well, no, it's a little bit farther away.
Oh, yeah,
it's in between, down in between Dunkin' Donuts and Burger King, because it's not Burger King anymore. Oh, this guy's about to pull out. He might hit me. Anyway, yeah, we're in front of Lee Zachary's right now. Gas station over there. Dunkin' D's nuts. Actually, I may stop and get a coffee.
Yeah.
I'm gonna document me grabbing a coffee.
Good. Park my bike right here and go in.
Ooh, never mind. Snickerdoodle iced latte. Come on, doesn't matter. It's November and there's a bee alive right here. That should not be. Get it?
That should not be.
Here, document this.
Okay. Oh, you maple beverages or soft drinks.
Very good medium hot coffee. Yeah, with hazelnut flavor shot.
And regular cream sugar?
Yeah.
Is that gonna be it?
You want anything? You good?
Oh, yeah. No.
I missed so much of it.
Thanks. That's quick. That's got big service, guys.
Alright. Then again, you're the only person in here.
Sure. This is true documents, guys.
Yeah, just half the time I need both hands to do things, so I can't document a lot. Otherwise, I would be documenting.
Oh, that is pretty good. Thank you, Duncan D. Yeah, this is Quiznos. This used to be KFC. Way back in the day.
Oh, yeah.
Dunkin' Donuts used to be a little shack, but right here, that's where Burger King used to be. See, this is all the tape on the ground right here. That's from Perry. Here, do the ducking motion that you tried to do.
So I was trying to go like this, I tried to go like this, but the tape was too low and I clipped my hand
He just snapped right through it. This douchebag is in Burger King parking lot. Let's do a circle around Burger King, get some footage of what it looks like on the inside, and then we can get an after video of what it looks like when it's all done. This is the old Burger King.
I used to work here.
Perry's old job, that's why he's not employed anymore.
Okay.
And at first we thought they were just yanking his chain because they just didn't want him and they were thinking of an excuse to get rid of him, but
It's true.
it was really true. In here, whoops. In here, that used to be a little play area. Now it's just a bunch of shite.
Oh my
This was a main entrance.
Everything, dude, look.
You can't really see much, guys, but
I used to work here.
this used to be Burger King. Perry's Bikes Rolling Way.
Dude. Oh, dude, see where those wires are at?
Come on.
Outlets? That's where my station was to wash dishes.
Yeah, back there. It's all, let's see if we can get a better shot. Keep out, construction area, danger. We're not going in, we're just taking a video. Oh, you can see all the way back. That's the old Burger King, guys. Oh, here's a porta potty. Don't worry, I'm not going to show my penis. this is to slide it, let them know that, you know, someone's in here using it. Obviously it doesn't have a sink, wash your hands after, but it's Perot. You shit in there. Boop, boop. You should keep the lid closed, keep the smell in. But usually if the lid's shut, it doesn't smell. It actually smells pretty nice in here right now, but when you're peeing right here, I feel bad for the next person who's coming in here, cause this piece all over the place. Even though I didn't technically touch my cack, I like to put some hand sanitizer on, just in case. You never know what's on these handles. I'm rubbing it out afterwards. Almost stepped on my coffee. Oh, it still says occupied, so next person's gonna be pinching a loaf until they realize no one's in there. Right now I'm just rubbing in the hand sanitizer. Sorry for the shot. Alright, hand sanitizer on, grabbing my coffee, and we're off. Up here is Cheese Traders. They got some really good stuff there, good cheese. Oh, there's a skate gap right here, dude.
Oh, no doubt.
I could skate that. Little manual pad and everything. There's the Alpine shop. Really pricey though, but if you're one of those rich snobby kids. Just come on, stop being a wimp. Right there. There used to be a Whopper hopper. I used to jump on it all the time. Even when I was in like middle school, me and my buddies popped it a couple times. Alright, Perry's gonna have to try and duck underneath this one. No, I'm just kidding, dude. I'll lift it up for you. Yeah. Here we go. I'm trying to cross the street here. Oh no, I didn't see those guys. Let's cross. Go. We like to cut through, usually cut through right back there, but we didn't cross the road quick enough. But instead of going all the way up to the light and taking a left and up there at the light onto Dorset, going to the mall, we usually cut through the back over here. We either go all the way down this street, where's this girl I used to talk to, Kelly, lives on. And actually one of Joel's ex's friends used to hang out there a lot too. Ashley, oh, and Kristen, and there's this Casey dude. We usually go back all the way back there, but since Joel broke up with that Ashley chick, we've been going through right here. Which way, Perry? This way? Yeah, we'll go this way. I don't like those people down there anyway. Oh, there's also this other kid, Adam something. He used to live down there, and this Rocco Bucci kid used to hang out a lot, and I used to fucking, back in like 2nd grade, throwback, I used to defend Rocco in elementary school and shit. But then, as years went by and shit, he became a mouthy little fuck. And I ended up beating him up a couple times, and same with Adam Hatton. I thought that was my ex-wife's car for a second. I'm gonna light up a cigarette here. Even the squirrels are still out and about.
I don't feel this is gonna be the last nice day.
No, dude, it's supposed to be like 50.
Ah, yeah.
It's supposed to be like 50 on Monday and Tuesday, dude.
I need to pull out my wedgie. That's a giant white dog. Good face.
Yeah, I know. There's a giant white dog over here, I guess. Let's go say hi to him. Little boy! Where's your Alright, let's get the funk out of here. I just pissed off the dogs. Oh, my coffee. The owner's calling for them now. I just got the dogs in trouble. Sorry, pups, I just wanted to play, and then you kept barking at me and shite. There's gonna be a lot of good shots in here, Perry.
It's gonna be kind of fun editing it.
Looks like Barry has a real video to look forward to editing. Not just some piece of shit video sitting in the basement all day. Okay, I'm sitting on this side of the bed. Now I'm sitting on this side of the bed, guys. Oh yeah, this is, oh, I thought that said aspirin. Alright, comment below or let me know what first pops in your head when you first see this. What would that look like to you? Let me know. I think it looks like aspirin. And comment below if you want the real answer. Holy crap, look at that dirty ass car. I think this hotel right here is like the only hotel in this area that I have not screwed a chick in. This hotel right here. Just didn't want to drop the money, I just wanted some pussy. This is Perry's shoulder view. Off the head view.
Whoa. What's that? My hat's coming off my head.
I may grab that trash bin on my way home. Why not? Free trash bin. Alright, so this is Barnes & Noble, can't fucking talk right now. Barnes & Noble booksellers. And over there is Fluffy Pup Electronics. Oh, there's the seagull up there. I mean, it's a bookstore, but they also sell Kindles, which doesn't make any fucking sense to me. Barry has to go up this ramp area because of his bike. This curb's a little too high for it up here. We cross the road up here to the U-Mall. There's the People's United Bank. Used to be Chittenden. Nice little bus stop. Doesn't help from window much. You know, it's an old school crosswalk when it doesn't tell you to wait. This is my cigarette cam. You have your wallet, right? Alright, it looks like it's safe to go. Come on. Come on! I'm fine. Perry just sketched out across the road, maybe because there's cars coming right at me, I don't know. He's still all the way across, wimp. He could have started going and stopped at the median. thing right there. Oh, I should have hopped on the back. I missed a fun ride. Perry, you bastard. Awesome. Hey, I think there's a Confederate flag on top of that car. This is one of the back entrances to the University Mall. We prefer going this place because most of the stores we go to is on this side of the mall, like Yin's and shit. There's some douchebag right now with a leaf blower, not even using it inside of a parking garage. And there's like no leaves, so he's totally fucking with my shot. No, we shouldn't. They'll probably get pissy. I've locked up my bike up there before.
Oh yeah, today's a Ralph-free day so far.
Yeah, so far Ralph thinks he's better than us or something.
I don't know if I don't think I have.
You can plug your camera into a USB.
I don't think
adapter.
I can.
Yes, you can. You can plug anything into a USB adapter. Anything.
Oh, there it is. It's a mini USB port.
No, even if it didn't have it, Perry, you don't. It doesn't matter.
Well, we're walking
You
up
can
the
get
bike.
an I have an adapter for anything. It's a universal adapter.
Alright.
Go on the road.
Now?
Yeah. Whoa.
I need it.
Good morning.
We got my friend Dylan's sister. No sketch man.
Yeah.
That's his sister. That's also Joe Grafton's cousin.
We're on the walk back from the mall. Total fail on selling a piece of jewelry that has been sitting around for a while. Found some firewood. May have a fire in a little bit, guys, so stay tuned.
Might have to switch to my cell phone camera.
This battery's running low. We're gonna go inside though. I'm gonna put the coping on. Oh, which I stopped at Aubuchon's for. Ryan showed up. He's holding on to my saw and the coping. I'm gonna be installing soon. You can kind of see it in his hand, not really. But yeah, I'm gonna be making it look a little bit nicer in between the rooms there. Put in this coping and hopefully it all works out. It's getting dark out, even though it's really early.
Alright, hey, what's up guys? So, we just got home, tidying up, putting everything back, because we had the lawnmower and snowboard and all that, shovel, so we're putting it all back. And I'm showing you guys what it looks like now. So, when you first walked in the garage, all the stuff was right here, pretty much where Givo is now, and then it's all right here, where all this backed up junk. So we cleared all of it out. So now I'm gonna walk over here. And this is what it looks like when you're looking into the garage. Now, looks pretty sweet. But, anyways. Alright, so we just finished doing the garage for the night. We got to a good stopping point. And Grandma was nice enough to make us some food. Got sandwiches and soup. Oh, that's good. Put some cheese whiz on it. Yep. can, putting her in the threshold.
The threshold.
And stuff.
Hold that on the side, yeah, fuck not. And stuff. Alright, we'll go. Where's that poignant walker? Stuff? Oh, I think this is duct tape.
Mini duct tape.
Yeah, there are. Oh, wait, folks. And stuff.
Me!
You want to get it?
No, I do. I just forgot about it. Ow. This is really making me nervous because it's on my scalp. Ow! I don't even know.
Look up for a minute.
Do I look good?
Oh, that one on the side is flawless, though.
Yeah, dude, that was like a perfect good drill thing.
Alright, so we have some wood and cardboard to burn, so that's what we're doing. Snap piece over there that Debo is about to break. And Ralph's over there breaking another table.
Dude, why'd you put that in there?
It was dead.
Dude, that's gonna be loud.
Can't believe we just burned that chick down in the ditch. She's actually melting like a doll.
I burnt its nose. Okay, Ryan, you go next.
Hold on, let me see what Ryan's putting in. Oh, okay, put it in.
This is gonna be fun.
Just put it in right in front there.
Oh, that's perfect. Oh no! Oh, cool. Oh,
Jesus. That was awful.
Look at that thing go.
oh.
And that's what happens when you do Satan worship, guys.
Put it in my pocket. Oh, then wait. Yeah, put it.
It's recording still.
Okay.
Oh, it's melting onto the ground.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. Add me on Facebook, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, guys. Stay awesome.